Hello les moustachus! In this video we are now talking about how to install a bot, a Moustache AI bot on your website. So it's really very easy to do. Here you have your chatbot, so you are in chatbot section, action button, and then you go directly on the last line, install on your website. And so as you can see, we are opening a small window with code snippets. So if you are not a geek or not a developer, don't be afraid. It's quite easy. It's basically as simple as installing Google Analytics tag or stuff, or Facebook Pixel, for example. So you just have to put this script in your web page in the head section. You have also the possibility here to set a user identifier. So basically, if your website is not connected, for example, if it's a website for selling, you don't know which visitor are visiting, so you will just remove this line, and we will be creating for each new visitor a user identifier like randomly generated. If you have like a SaaS or any app where your user is connecting, do not hesitate to use the user identifier to know which visitor are discussing with the bot, and also to give the possibility to the user each time he will be reconnecting to your app to see the history of the conversation with the bot. Whatever the platform. So for example, if you have an iOS app and a website, web app, you can put the user identifier on these two apps, and then the user will be able to find back the history of the conversation on both platforms. Okay, that's all about history. You can also, if you want, for example, use window.openmoustache.ai and window.closemoustache.ai, which are two functions that allow you to manually open and close the bot depending on whatever action you want to have on your website. So this allows developers to have a more fine-tuned use of the widget. So do not hesitate to use them too if you need to have a more fine, more grained use of this web widget. Thank you for your attention. Of course, if you have any technical question on how to install it, if never you have any issues, or if the widget is not just showing or working the way you would like it to work, do not hesitate to contact us in the Moustache AI bot and ask your question. Probably the bot will be able to answer. And if never it's not the case, of course, our team will take the relay and answer to your question quite fastly. Thank you a lot. See you soon. Bye bye.